The only reason you're not seeing results while everybody else is seeing results is because you're not optimizing the things that matter most. You could have the best product in the world, but if your product page sucks, nobody's gonna buy your product. I learned this the hard way. My first few stores failed badly. I kept blaming the product until I cracked the code. Once I fixed my product page and I optimized it, I went from making no sales to making my first $1,000 in revenue. And today, I'm gonna give you the exact formula I've been using for the past couple of years. Think about it. If you owned a bakery and the bakery looked very dirty and not clean, no one would buy from you. No matter how tasty your cakes are, your online store is no different. If it doesn't look trustworthy and persuasive, people will not buy, even if your product is amazing. And trust me, once you apply what I'm going to show you today, you're never going to struggle to make sales again.
So first things first, what you want to do is click add product, and then we're going to write out our product name. So now we've added the title of the name, so porta warmer, and then a little bit of motto. And this is the exact product we're going to be selling. So we're going to look at this TikTok page, what they're selling. And you can see they already have everything kind of written. You can just kind of take their content, but change it up a little bit. You don't want the exact same content. You can also use ChatGPT too. So I'm just gonna like use some of this and just make some changes. So we're gonna write like say goodbye to cold feet. Okay, and I always like to make this like as a heading too. And then we'll use their information here. It's plush filled interior, feels like a cozy stuffed animal. Okay, so they got some good content there. So then this is what I'm gonna use for the next one. Perfect for cozy days at home. Okay. So that's heading number 2 with the context. We'll use that. And then the final one that I like to use is easy to wash and always fresh. Okay. And then we'll take this. So it's sometimes good to have a competitor that has already the content there, but please do not, this is just for the sake of the video, do not copy exactly everything. Make changes, put it through ChatGPT, just completely brand new content because you don't want any trouble with your competitors. But basically how I like to set up my product pages and my product description is heading, context, then I put a GIF or a photo, heading, context, GIF or a photo, and the same thing again. So 3 times you want to do it like that. So right now, I'm just going to do the text here. So we have all the text ready. Now I'm going to add some product images. So let's see what this page has. So you can see, I don't see too much. So I'm going to do is I'm going to do foot warmer GIF. Okay, so let's see if we can find some GIFs. Okay, so not too much. Let's see if they have any GIFs anywhere. So they have a lot of reviews. That's a good sign. Sometimes it's going to be hard for you to find GIFs. So you just want to take some of the photos they're using. So I'm just going to use this one. And then we're gonna make this smaller. Maybe if we do the exact name that they have, USB foot warmer, we can see some other type of content. So this is a nice one. Let's see USB foot warmer GIF. So we got one here. Okay. So this looks like a really good GIF. Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this here. Oh, sorry. We're gonna put some space, then put this here, and then put the GIF at the top here. So now we have the first GIF, then we have a photo, and then we're gonna add one more photo. Okay, so we're gonna use this as the photo. Okay, this is gonna be our product photo. Okay, and now we're gonna make this a little smaller. Okay, so you want to make it small enough so it fits the vibe of the entire video. So we're gonna make this smaller just so it fits all the other images and the GIFs. Okay, so there you go. So we have that done. So we're gonna see how it looks like right now. So I'm just gonna preview it. So you can see we have the heading, context GIF, heading, context photo, heading, context photo. Okay. Now we're going to do some more edits. So we're going to add our product photo. We're going to price out our product. We're going to add our quantity. And then we're going to make some changes within the store theme. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to see if we can find any product photos. This one's not bad. So I'm going to save this. Okay. And then we're just going to add it in here. Okay. Just for the sake of the video, I just want to do this quick so I can show you all how to do this. And then we're going to price it. We're going to see how much it's being sold on AliExpress. So let's just search up foot warmer. So I usually just use AliExpress to get an idea of what the price is. So you can see here it's around 31 Canadian. So that's like $25 US. Okay, so I would probably want like a $20 to $30 profit margin because we were doing organic. $20 profit margin is pretty good. So I'll sell around like $39, $40 around there. So let's just do it for the beginning when we're first testing out $39.95. Okay, and then we'll save it, and then we're gonna write 1,000. Okay, then when you're doing variants, it's up to you if you want to have multiple colors. I personally only like to have one color just to sell one variant so it doesn't confuse people. So let's go see what these guys are doing. So they have 2 colors, pink and gray. So we'll do the same thing. We'll just do like a pink and a gray. So what we'll write is variant. So all you gotta do is click variants, add options like color or size, and then we're gonna write color, and then we'll add gray, and then we'll add pink. Okay, and then save that. All right, so now we have our product page kind of ready. Then we're gonna go into our online store and then customize, and then you wanna go click products and go to product page. Okay, so now this is where the product page is, and now we're gonna make sure you have these things in your product page. So look how nice our product page already looks. So you can see we have it all set up, and you're probably asking, like, how did you get these? Like this icon with text, these drop down menus. How did you get all this, right? So basically, it's fairly easy. The way you do it is you go to here on the left side, product information, and you just click icon with text. So I'm gonna remove it and show you how to do it. So what you're gonna do, it says add block, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna pick icon with text. Then you're gonna get all these different icons on the right side here where you can pick from. So you can do like this, you can do horizontal, or I like to do vertical. And honestly, I like to have it up here, right above the variant picker. Okay, so we can be like over 10,000 customers. So you can do something like that. Then we can do like 30-day return policy, and then we can do like 3 to 5 day shipping. So just like that, right? Honestly, the one I had before looked a lot better, but this I just did it off the bat, right? But it's up to you. So you want to add that, and this is literally free. You don't have to pay anything to get that. So there you go. The next thing I have here is the collapsible rows. So I like to have 3 collapsible rows. So details, shipping info, and 30-day return policy. Okay, so in order to add that, like same thing as before, all you do is click the plus and then collapsible row. Okay, so you can see how it was added. Then you're able to change what the heading is, and then you can add any type of icon you want, and then you can also put content into the collapsible row. Okay, so for the sake of the video, I'm just gonna show you how it is. So it looks like this. You can see if I open it, right, it talks about the product, and then it talks about shipping info, and then 30-day policy. Okay, so you want to have it set up kind of like that. So now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna save this. So in order to add reviews, you just gotta add Luke's reviews. If you want to see in detail on how to do that, go to the link in my description and watch the video where I teach you on how to add reviews. This is just to show you how to set up the entire product description, how to make it so it looks really clean and professional. But yeah, so just have it like that, and then don't forget to always have your reviews at the bottom.
So that's exactly how you build an entire product page and optimize it for your traffic. That's the most important part. If you got a value out of this video, I also have a free dropshipping course you can check out right now to help you get started with dropshipping today. If you have any questions, just leave a comment and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.